whatever I told.
Yes, sir.
Can you show it to me? It's very difficult to just bring closer. How many for lobe you use? For scanner. Okay. Okay. It's okay, fine. But thing is that no need to go for the brace, huh?
So braces.
Because you see, in this case, you see how many for loop? Two for loop.
Two.
Under this, how many statements? Under this, how many statement is there? Single.
Yes, sir.
Single. So no need to go for brace. Okay. But in this case, you see, in this example, within for loop, how many statement is there? More than one?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? In this example, within for loop, how many statement is there? More than one. That's why I am putting braces. After if, how many statement is there? 3. So again another braces. If there is single statement, no need to go for brace. Okay.
Sir, but that brace was for upper for loop.
Pardon?
Sir, there are 2 for loops, and that brace was for upper for loop.
No, that is useless. You can put without that also it will work. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now I want to add 2 matrix. Okay. So you know how to input the matrix.
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 2 matrix A and B. I want to add it. Okay. So first I have to input this matrix. Isn't it? First I have to input A. To input A, how many for loop I record? 2 and 1 scanf. Another again 2. Another scanf. Now you see, in this case, you can't manipulate data directly. What to do? You have to take the address, okay, with the help of addresses. So how to go? So this is the addresses. Okay. I am not giving the data. I am giving the addresses. Okay. Now so if I add the 2 matrix, what is the outcome? How many elements?
What's that? 9.
If I want to add 3 by 3 2 matrix, how many outcome will be there?
9.
9. So we have to generate 9 addresses. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Means we need another matrix 3 by 3. Like C equal to A plus B. In that case, C means single value, A single value, B single value. A plus B, again, single number stored in C. But in this case, 9 plus 9. Output is again 9. So I need 9 space. Means I required C array matrix C11, C12, C13. Likewise, I have to generate this address. So then we have so it should be look like this way. Is it? Corresponding address?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to generate this one. Means we have to repeat the process how many times? How many times? 9 times. Means we record again 2 for loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We record again 2 for loop to go for 9 times. So it's clear. Now what to do?
Yes, sir.
So this is the logic. Because I have to generate 9 times. So I have to use 2 for loop. Then Cij equal to Aij plus
Gij.
Bij. So this is the logic. So first time I equal to what?
0.
I start from?
0. 0.
I start from
1.
1.
1. I1,
1.
J1. So it will go for A11 and B11. Okay. Next time I become 1, J become 2.
Yes, sir.
So I am giving the first iteration. I equal to 1, J will be 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it will give A11, A12 and A13. Similarly, B11, B12 and B13. Okay. Then J become what? After completing this, J become
1.
J will be what? This I1 is over. Or I equal to 1, J will repeat 3. And we are getting these addresses. Now J I become
2.
2.
2. So I'm giving the B part only. 2, 1, okay. 2, 2, and 2, 3. So 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. Next, J become what? I become what?
3.
3. So 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. So I am getting the addresses. And this is the logic. Note it down. Over. Now you see, this is not completed. Now what to do?
Output.
Output. So how many elements?
9 elements.
9 elements. So we have to generate 9 different address. Like C, here I am given this location. Okay. I have to generate this location and store the result. So what to do for that?
For loop.
How many?
2.
Can you write the program fully?
Yes, sir.
Write it.
So starting from input.
Void main. Declaration of variable.
So just
Yes,
for,
sir.
Logic and output.
Stack include.
Yes, sir.
Make it first.
Studio.h. Stack include. Yes, Shruti. कौन सी लैब है?
Supratim Roy is starting record. सर का वीडियो
कोई हमको नहीं दिख रहा है.
मेरे को भी नहीं दिख रहा है कुछ. सर का वीडियो नहीं आ रहा.
ओ भाई पता है वो झगड़ा किसका हो रहा था? झगड़ा किसका हो रहा होता है?
अंकित यादव.
किसका?
सर
सर का घर में टकला दिख रहा है. अस्मित का टकला दिख रहा है.
हाँ बोलो.
अंडा फोड़ो.
हाँ सर चला गया ना.
हाँ सर चला गया.
नहीं आएंगे
सर
होगा.
डिप्रेशन में आ गया.
वैसे सर क्यों चला गया?
ओए हमको कोई नहीं दिख रहा है.
बोला था ना मारे खाने और
अरे सर आएंगे अभी.
हमको कोई दिख नहीं रहा है.
सर पीट के आइए आप.
हेलो 1 2 3 1 2 3
21
कोई दिख रहा है? हेलो
सब लोग चला गया.
हेलो. ऐसा नेट होगा तो कहाँ से कौन दिखेगा?
432 MB left.
नहीं आएंगे क्या?
अस्मित
सुप्रतिम क्यों रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर रहा है? अबे क्यों रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन?
मैसेज क्या है? देखो तो.